From intern at BBC to a deputy CM, a Sachin Pilot tale. Hello and welcome, you are watching The Political War. Rebel Congress leader Sachin Pilot has achieved a lot for a 42-year-old Indian politician. He made his political debut in the wake of an unfortunate fatal accident that his father, Rajesh Pilot, met with in 2000. Sachin Pilot was just 22 then. In 2003, Sachin Pilot joined the Congress and became the Lok Sabha MP from Dausa in Rajasthan. It was the same seat that his father Rajesh Pilot had won. For 4 out of 5 times he became a Lok Sabha MP. Sachin's Pilot mother Rama Pilot was also an MP from the same constituency. Sachin Pilot was only 26 when he won his first election. His father's legacy helped him cement his place in the Congress in Rajasthan. Rajesh Pilot was a fighter pilot of the rank of squadron leader and fought in the 1971 India-Pakistan war before diving into politics. Rajesh Pilot took Pilot as his surname, dropping the family name Biduri. In 2018, the Biduri-Gujjar connection was one of the factors that worked against Sachin Pilot when the Congress handed over the chief ministership to Ashok Gehlot, a leader from Mali constituency and not considered a threat to any of the dominant castes like Gujjars, Jats, Meenas or Rajputs in Rajasthan. When Rajesh Pilot was alive, Sachin Pilot did not show any inclination towards joining politics. He had long wished to join the Indian Air Force before finding out that his eyesight was weak. He later joined the Territorial Army and also secretly obtained a license to fly planes. Sachin Pilot did his schooling from Delhi and graduated from the prestigious St. Stephen's College of the Delhi University. He followed it up with an MBA from an American university. In his interviews in the past, Sachin Pilot has said he wanted to join the corporate world. Interestingly, before making his debut in politics, Sachin Pilot tried his hands in journalism. He worked at the Delhi office of BBC News as an intern. He also had a short stint with the General Motors, the American automaker giant. Once he joined politics, he tried to follow in the footsteps of his father, establishing a ground connect with the masses. Like Rajesh Pilot, Sachin Pilot was also seen, particularly in his initial days in politics, driving his own car on his mass contract tours. At 32, Sachin Pilot became a union minister in the Manmohan Singh-led UPA second government. At 36, he replaced Ashok Gehlot as the Rajasthan Congress president in January 2014. Gehlot had led the party to a disastrous electoral loss a couple of months before this. Sachin Pilot hit the ground hard and was not deterred by the drubbing suffered in 2014 Lok Sabha elections, during which there was a strong Modi wave. 4 years later, Sachin Pilot led Rajasthan Congress scripted an emphatic win in the state polls, but ultimately Gehlot became the chief minister. Sachin Pilot has expected the chief ministerial position to come his way. It has a little backstory. In 1998, when Gehlot became the Rajasthan chief minister, he was 47. Reports say that Congress at that time wanted Rajesh Pilot to make the mantle. Rajesh Pilot saw himself better fitted in the national role, so he refused. Sachin Pilot perhaps did not want to repeat the mistake. He claimed the position unsuccessfully though, facing disciplinary action from the Congress just like his father faced during a tussle with the Sonia Gandhi camp. Sachin Pilot's political career now largely depends on the BJP, if he actually follows his former colleague and friend Jyotiraditya Scindia. This is Apurva Shukla for The Political War. I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to tell us in the comment section. And for more such videos, keep watching The Political War. Thank you.
Catch 'em all.